madume ka gae ke a go amogela go leitlo la setšhaba ka leina ke nna Raymond Mojapelo. Mathata a go fegwa ga boetapele tšhomišompe ya mašeleng magareng ga tše dingwe di arogantšitše barulaganyi ba Soweto Marathon e fela go sana le tshepo. Potšišo ke gore ke mang a šetšego ka maloka a go beakanya lebelo le. Good evening. Issues relating to embezzlement of funds and suspensions, among others, have split organizers of the Soweto Marathon. However, there is still hope. Now the question is, who has the right to organize the marathon?
Maraganateng a aparetseng setheo se se rulaganyang lobelo lwa ngwaga le ngwaga la Soweto Marathon a ka fela fa thato ya komiti e sa tswang go tlhophiwa ya Central Gauteng Authority e ka diragala. Lobelo le ke le legolo thata le le diragalang mo metsesetoropong ya batho bantsho.
Soweto Marathon must distance itself ipsuke ku-corruption ukuze sakhe i-sports election nase-South Africa.
Because of the event is owned by clubs. It's not owned by the trusts.
Ntho e ntseng gore re be mo re leng teng ka Soweto Marathon go sa mamelane and not giving each other an opportunity ya go tolerate dintho di senywa ka molomo di lekiswa ka molomo.
Thologelo ya ngwaga o fetileng ya batho ba lebelo la Soweto Marathon e ne se e tlwaelegileng. Maloko a ditlhopha tse dingwe tsa batabogi ga ba ikwadisetsa lobelo leo. Bangwe ba re ba ne ba tshosediwa fa bangwe bone ba re ba ne ba sa batle go ikamanya le dikgogakgogano tse di aparetseng lobelo leo.
I think it affected the registration because, like for instance, who run Alex, most of the runners, but they never decided to ring Abasa Yoshiana. And the primary was the primary one, who ring safety first. You know, if Mutwashiana, as a shock, safety high, anything can happen more.
Mokakata a re o na swabile thata ka gore Soweto Marathon ke le leng la mabelo a magolo.
Soweto Marathon, it's a big iconic race. Regia serious and if you want to do something, they're not confused. But really, our federation arena, it was Central Gauteng Athletics that but resolve, but all parties or a common solution.
Kgotlamfa ke gareng ga Soweto Marathon Trust, setheo sa PTY Limited, le non-profit company. Botle ba re balwela go boloka seriti le serodumo sa Soweto Marathon. Thulani Sibisi ke o mong wa baethei ba The People's Race jaaka Soweto Marathon e itsege. Lobelo le theilwe ka 1991.
We wanted to be one of the biggest races in Gauteng. We achieved that. It is the biggest marathon here. I don't know last year if it was or not, I doubt. But Soweto Marathon is one of the most important, biggest marathon in Gauteng as a whole. And the Leon Diaziwa, and always be the Soweto Marathons, I see she encourage the development of athletics like Soweto, even the South Africa as a whole. And 3, abantu abamnyama never had the opportunity of having a race in the township. Soweto Marathon was able to do that.
Mo president o sa tswang go tlhophiwa wa Central Gauteng Athletics Karabo Mabilo a re ketleletso e botlhokwa thata. Setheo sa Soweto Marathon fela jaaka tse dingwe se dira ka fa tlase ga federation ya gagwe ya Central Gauteng Athletics.
So the importance of having the sponsor ke hore tlamele di kenye tšhelete into development. Remember, this particular federation and any other federation, their main focus is development. So we need to develop athletes, but those athletes are developing for like our tšhelete thing. We must ensure that there's resources. We must ensure that there's fields where they can train, that they've got techies, they've got the tools to be able to be better sportsmen.
Fela a re dikgogakgogano di ka feleletsa di kubile babeeletsi le baetleletsi.
Remember, sponsors are attracted to the PR. The sponsors are attracted to who is the face of this particular organization. It does affect the sponsors if that is why the first thing that we must regain credibility with the sponsors as CGA. Then we'll be able to assist the clubs, because once a sponsor, if their head is fine, it is easy for the sponsor to come back and support us. But at the moment, with the way things are going, I would not be surprised that sponsors would not have wanted to partake in these, because they've got an image to uphold.
A re batlile go netefatsa gore kgatlhang e rena mo gareng ga tsamaiso ya Soweto Marathon e a rarabololwa.
Issue of Soweto Marathon, it sounds complicated, but high complicated. Jeka ke tshelo, o bona ha re sebetsa le batho. Bona le ntho e tlamile re avoid ha re le batho. E tshwana le bo hore personality ya hao e holo hakaka. Ha re ka tlosa ntho tse tshwana le personality ra sheba ntho e tlamile re achieve, being the vision of this property, then we'll be able to get along.
I still say, ngoba bathi angimele ngilisebenzise lelo gama. Give me a hijackiwe Soweto Marathon from the trust to PTY and NPC.
So the event is owned by clubs. It's not owned by the trusts. It is owned by clubs. The trust is just a vehicle. The same as the event I own the NPC. NPC is a vehicle. Whilst we try to fix the issue with the trust, we will then, for now, use NPC.
Go sa utlwaneng mo thulaganyong ya Soweto Marathon go bonagetse ka ngwaga wa 2023. Lebelo leo le ile la rulagangwa ke setheo sa PTY Limited. Ka ntlha ya go sa utlwane, Athletics South Africa e laolang diatletiki mo nageng e ne e sekegile a mang a maloko a Soweto Marathon Trust nakwana. Soweto Marathon Trust ke yone e neng e tsamaisa le go rulaganya mabelo.
As clubs are Soweto, the owners of the event, we then came together. And we then said, this is the situation that we find ourselves in. This is in 2023. How do we then move forward? Because of event needs to happen. Or do we cancel the event because of some of the trustees have been expelled and they are defying Athletics South Africa. They want to organize the event and because anything. It's not a mandate at the provincial body or the mother board.
Abakwazi kwabantu be-trust ukuthi bangaxoshwa ku-trust i-Athletics South Africa. Leyo nto leyo, it's not legal.
It's simply then meant for they can't be part of the Soweto Marathon anymore because of they've been expelled from athletics. But they are defying that ruling.
You address some issues internal kuyo i-trust and then ikhipha abantu engafuni enibabona ukuthi benze izinto ezi-wrong. Mangabe ankhoni, you consult and you submit ku-master of deed we-trust to deal nalabo bantu labo, bazokhishwa labo bantu leyo. Hayi ukuthi you go out and then yoqala enye ilona i-private company.
Unfortunately, the trustees by experience with the banking app, the signatories, and they refuse to batch the signatories of the account. And whilst we were not busy trying to organize the event in 2023, the only transactions since the from the account. Because of children's one more, I yet see anything more event there, but it is one for one. A decision really cancel the Soweto Marathon Trust. Let us institute a forensic audit. And having said that, Lord Haberi refreeze the account in their trust. Because of our account done, a company, a access out of a business account when more than one person globally access to sign for the shelter of the account. That's how then a P2 Ltd was then formed, and it was formed as a not to run the event. And it was formed as a stopgap to say we're still part of the trust, we're still beneficiaries of the trust, and what like event event, so let us have this account because our shelter again, whatever that is to be paid. But the smart thing that we then agreed on, the shelters are the sponsors, this academic account because of accounting linked to the trust deed. But shelters are the sponsor. I don't want to tell me the suppliers.
Lo oqale le company waye i-treasurer ye-trust. Mina naye sahamba saye African Bank sawufuna ama-bank statement. Sawathola ama-bank statement amanye ama-transaction ebenziwe singazi ukuthi abhadaleni. Sayifreeza leyo account. Kanti masizofreeza leyo account yena uzothola ithuba kusho ukuthi opportunity yokuthi aqale this PTY athathe le mali ye-PTY avule futhi i-bank account yayo ngemali ye-trust. Thina siyi-trust sinenkinga ne-Central Gauteng Athletics because yiyo i-Central Gauteng Athletics enikeze ilungelo ukuthi i-PTY yomuntu ona 40% shares kubo yena othatha irace yabantu yomphakathi, angithi yomphakathi, iSoweto Marathon yomphakathi wayithatha ukuthi imali as a trust, but lezo mali zafakwa enkampanini yakhe. Mayiqeda ukufakwa enkampanini yakhe ba organize irace, nohulumeni wayivumela waseGauteng ukuthi lento yenzeke. Kanjalo nesponsor okuyisona esisayine leyo contract ne-trust, not ne-PTY.
At that time, Ikadago African Bank entered into the picture in 2023. That was agreement already. But I signed agreement, the trust, yes, but the people that signed the trust are the trustees are from one trust deed. But it's at 2023, it's at 2030, no, 2022, it's at 2030. Belen Bakopana, the former a new community assurance event there. That's how then this was formed. So
angazi i-ethic yamabhenki ukuthi isebenza kanjani if kwenzeka izinto ezinjengaleyo ku operate as normal. Nohulumeni waseGauteng naye ayivumele ukuthi no sizoqhubeka sisebenze nje nani instant ukuthi basiqhelelanise leyo nto leyo. Give me corruption at its worst.
2024, thinking that self-realism mathata rona le batho ba le bakumile ya ba nna hore go ba boima go feka ba hana go tswa le mo trusting ya me, and then agreed as that meeting hore once we're trying to fix the issues and trust are formulating a new vehicle an NPC. That's how then the NPC was formed. So NPC is not a breakaway from the trust, but it is a collective decision that was taken by Soweto clubs to say, once we try to fix the issue, it's a trust. It is functional. Let us then have NPC, run the event this year.
Ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi njengamanje njengoba baqale le PTY ne-NPC makubhedwa bazohamba futhi bahambe bayoqala enye futhi inkampani or i-NPC because abasavumelani la. I doubt they will do that. It's wrong to do that.
Ditlhopha tsa mabelo di tlhophile bakhuduthamaga ba bašwa ba Central Gauteng Athletics ba tlile go nna mo dikantorong dingwaga di le 4 go fitlhelela go nna le ditlhopho tse dingwe gape. Mopresidente wa Federation Karabo Mabilo a re Soweto Marathon e tlo go nna mo mananeng a pele a ba tlileng go dira ka one.
Tlamehile re sa ile bala go Soweto Marathon is an important property. Not property important fela for federation, but le for location la Soweto, le for libito la Soweto, le for libito la motho montsho. So it's very important hore ebe one ya di project tse leng hore motho ha kena ko officing o tobana le tsona face on. So it is more the planning tsa rona hore the road running commission ha ikena e qale e deal le that matter.
A re tirisano mmogo le maikarabelo ke tsone tharabololo.
Ntho e ntseng hore re be mo re leng teng ka Soweto Marathon go sa mamelane and not giving each other an opportunity ya ho thola return. Dintho di senywa ka molomo, di lekiswa ka molomo. That is the only problem. Ha ona bothata ko Soweto Marathon bo bokalo. Ha re ka etsa dintho according to the book of order, whether ke constitution ya Soweto Marathon or the trust deed, and go back to the basics. Trust me, dintho tsa rona di tlo loka.
The objective here at the trust deed is it was to develop not just athletics clubs for Soweto, but the Sowetans in general as well. They were supposed to benefit from the proceeds staging this event. And that's something that we still need to discuss. If you go to any clubs of Soweto, the past 10 years, have they benefited from the proceeds event? It's something that we need to discuss because of I can share in the past 10 years up to the year 2023, the amount that was given to the club, I will say this amount publicly because of 30,000 in 10 years. And
30,000 rand.
30,000 for 10 years. Not 30,000 each year. The total amount given to the club or their benefit as the beneficiaries.
Bothata bo re nang le bona ke accountability. Whether tšhelete e sebedisitswe boatla or ha e sebediswa boatla, but if you don't show me the financials, I'm going to have an assumption hore tšhelete e jele. Let us do things in a corporate manner. Let us do things and follow the due processes, the governance that we are talking about. But ba kaofela di club tse re buang ka tsona ba passionate ka this by property. We need to account.
Soweto Marathon must distance itself isuke ku corruption ukuze sakhe esports la election nase South Africa, and ibe one of the biggest marathon just like Africa as a whole, because we can do that. And the difference would be it's organized in the township, not ku suburbs, but we will have to be professional ukwenza leyo nto leyo. Sonke sithola abantu abaright abazokwenza leyo nto leyo, hayi abantu abazoyintshontsha irace bayintshontshele bona ukubenefit. Leyo asizange siyiqalele iSoweto Marathon ukuthi ithathe leyo ndlela. Ngiyayiphikisa and ngiyiphikisa ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Sibisi a re go rekilwe ntlo kwa toropong ka madi a Soweto Marathon Trust. A re ene o ganne gore ntlo eo e rekiwe koo.
Uyo wathenga indlu yeSoweto Marathon khona le eSouthern Suburb esayina icheque lokuthenga leyo ndlu leyo. Usokuhlala le ntombazana director ye trust, director ye PTY, ibe director futhi ye NPC. Ihlala kuleyo ndlu leyo. Eyathengwa ubani? Eyathengwa uye ulona director, majority director ye PTY. Mina ngala ukuyisayina leyo purchase ya leyo yale elo eSuburbsini. Angangifuna iSoweto Marathon ithenge indlu la ku route yeSoweto Marathon ezoba iheritage, sigcine zonke izinto zeSoweto Marathon la eSoweto. Uthi mawungena noma itourist or nani njengoba baningena nazi ukuthi le ndlu la yeSoweto Marathon khona la ku route yeSoweto Marathon, ngibone zonke izinto zeSoweto Marathon khona la. Bona bayishintsha lento bayenza leyo nto leyo, kanti bayazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sebazobe sibayi-ownela le ndlu leyo. Ngoba kusho ukuthi njengamanje indlu akusesiye ye-trust ngokwami, ye-PTY ne-NPC.
tlamehile re dule mo tafoleng re mamelane re fane each other tsebe ya hore what seems to be the problem. There's only one Soweto Marathon. There's only one Soweto Marathon Trust that organizes the event. There may have been the structure tse ding tse entseng hore e kgone hore e etsahale, but it does not mean or negate the fact that the structure has a trust and it has people ba leng hore tlamehile ba organize. So we must forget ka di egos le di personality tse re tsamelang pele ne re hopolo what are we trying to do. So unity or being unified in minicha hona ho hore tlamehile re sebedisane re lebale ka di ego tsa rona.
Abantu bangenelela sikhumbula abantu abaningi abasebenzi and abantu abanikezwe ikhundla lapha abasebenzi khona la kule SMT akuzo lezi njoba bangasebenzi bathengwa ngazo lezo zinto lezo khundlanyana lezo and kubo noma yini abanikezwa yona ibalulekile ngoba imadlanyana mhlawumbe eletha lokho kudla but leyo nto leyo ithengisa iproject and iSoweto Marathon ngeke ikhulwe if izoranwa ngalendlela.
We are in a sportsmanship environment, and we expect a sportsmanship conduct and no politics. There's no politics allowed in sports, and unfortunately politics no fela inji kokota hanyana hanyana.
Re buisane le setheo sa polokelo sa African Bank mme moragonyana ba kopa gore puisano ya rona le bone e sa gasiwa. Dipuo di a re go semeletswe go leka go rarabolla mathata a paretseng Soweto Marathon le gore ke setheo sefe se se tlileng go rulaganya lobelo le ka ngwaga wa 2026.
Gambled and played a tactical team race as well, but they're characters.
Re fitlhile mafelong a lenaneo la bošong bja lekgono buša o be le rena gape la bobedi le letlago ge nako e le e re ya seswai mathapama bona mo SABC2 o ka re ngwalela ka email go leihlo la setšhaba @sabc.co.za wa re ngwalelago letlakala la leihlo la setšhaba go Facebook mananeo wa leihlo la setšhaba a hwetšagala go YouTube o kwa ka lenaneo le latelago theletša Thobela FM, Lesedi FM le Motsweding FM ka la bobedi mesong a ebe boroko šalang.